In this video, I'll show you how to log out of a Gmail account on a Samsung phone. So there's no actual sign out button on a Gmail account. What you need to do is remove the Google account from your phone. So to do that, press on your profile photo in the top right and then select manage accounts on this device. That's going to open up a list of all accounts that are currently on your phone. You want to find the Google one that you want to sign out of and press on it. And then it will say remove account at the bottom. Press it. And then press remove account. And then tap OK. And then confirm your PIN if you have one. And so now you can see the account is removed and we are now logged out. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.